Right behind me is another BMW we bought for $1,300. However, we are not keeping this car, and that is very important. Let me explain to you guys why.
It's expensive to own a home, and most people our age, from 20s to 30s, can't even afford one because they're living paycheck to paycheck. But why is that? Well, back in the 2000s, most people could easily live off of 1 to 2 incomes, but prices have skyrocketed since then. Homes are through the roof, and you can live anywhere in the US, and I'm literally meaning anywhere. You can live in Alabama or West Virginia, and the prices are still through the roof. But incomes have not risen, but like minimum wage hasn't gone up a bunch, and most people's regular incomes haven't gone up a bunch. So how are you supposed to afford a home when you're living paycheck to paycheck? Well, that's where we've come up with this idea.
Now, we're gonna buy enough cars on this channel to buy our dream home, and you guys can do the same exact thing. We're gonna walk you guys through all the steps, and we're gonna show you exactly how much we're spending and how much profit we're making on these vehicles. That includes the purchase price, titling the car, detail, and finally, how much we sold it and how much profit we made. Now sit back and enjoy the video.
Everything that needs done to this car before we could sell it. Now we need to wash the car, we need to detail the inside. We also need to restore these disgusting headlights, fix this driver's side window, repair these disgusting looking seats, then title the car and take photos to post on Marketplace so we could sell it. Now it's time to actually get this thing washed up on the outside.
You know you could do this, and it could stay auto.
That's just called pure laziness.
No, this is lit.
But we washed the exterior twice, so it looks a lot better. Obviously, it needs its headlights redone, but oh my gosh, it's in a lot better condition. Interior still needs cleaned, and I need to either like lint roll or try to vacuum the dog hair off of this. I don't know how we even got dog hair up here. Now I gotta restore this nasty looking headlight first. Maybe not break it with my ring before doing it, but I got the 3M, it's like the Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit. You just need a normal drill. Comes with all these little like pads to sand it down. It comes with a glove, I ain't using that. The headlight clear coat, more pads, and instructions, I ain't using that. Know how to do that anyways. Another headlight clear coat, more pads, and then tape. We're gonna have to open the, God, why do I keep doing that? We gotta open the hood up so I can tape around it and actually get this cleared off. So let's start doing that. First thing I do is just clean this off. I put soap on this, just getting it wet. All right, second part, I'm gonna tape this off. I'm not gonna open the hood. I don't trust these shocks. It almost came falling down, so it's gonna stay down. All right, I'm gonna get this thing sanded down. You're basically working up in numbers. I first take the P500 and stick it on here. All right, let's get this sprayed off and cleaned up. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry, and then now I should be able to move on to the P800 grit. I was using the drill for a while, but it wasn't doing much effect. You can use your hands. It just takes a lot longer. All right, now for the last part, moving on to 3000 grit. This one is like a thick pad. Normally you wet these. Yeah. I'm gonna wipe this residue off. I'm gonna do the second headlight off camera, and then we could quickly wipe it down and see how it looks. This is my clear coat. They look so much better. I'm gonna take the tape off, but oh my gosh, they gotta dry for 1 hour. Today we're doing the interior of the BMW, so let's get this started. All right, this thing is disgusting. I mean, look at it. I mean, I don't know what this is either. Alright, finish vacuuming this side. Looks a lot better. We're taking a break for 2 seconds. If you like seeing us transform these cars and you're excited to see how this whole process goes, make sure to sub. It's free. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. Alright, quick water break, and then I can get back to cleaning it.
Can we talk about something real quick? How do people's seats end up like this? I really have to know, because here's the thing. I've owned like 30 cars and I've owned them for a long time, high mileage, and I've never once created a rip this big. Are people literally on purpose jumping in their car and like bouncing up and down? Like, what is going on? How do you molest your seat this badly?
And look at the the passenger side
We need to put
even.
an end to this trend, guys. This is ridiculous. You can't be jumping in your cars.
While I'm doing this, one thing I will say, this I'll try to maybe sew down, but for these, I'm just gonna buy like leather stickers and just stick them on. It's not worth taking the seat out and upholstering it at all. This can easily just try to sew on though.
It's the money.
Look, the door's doing this. I'm gonna glue that in. Alright, we finished cleaning the inside, but last thing we need to do is, you see all this fur? I'm gonna lint roll it. It's working.
It's the money. It's the money. It's the money. Yeah. It's the money. It's the money. It's the money. Yeah. It's the money.
Before I let you guys go, we finally got the car up on Marketplace, and let's go over a couple things. Now, we listed the car for $4,500, and the reason I went a little bit higher is because I know there's lowballers like me on Marketplace, and people are gonna offer you lower prices. So you always wanna shoot high when you're posting these cars for that reason, so you can get to that target price point that you want. You see what I'm saying? Also, another important thing, the description is probably the most important thing about the ad. You guys need to be detailed completely. And of course, you want to know all the service history, which is why it's important when you're buying these cars, ask the previous owner what he's done to the car, or really just look it up on Carfax by typing the VIN number in. It adds so much more to the description. People are going to be like, oh my God, this car has been maintained. And finally, we're going to update you guys once we sell it. We're going to make a little short or another video, and I'm going to show you guys how much profit we actually made. Now, if the car doesn't sell immediately, we will refix this window. It needs a realignment basically. I talked to my buddy. He does glass work. He can help us out with this. And of course, the seats that are trashed, we didn't get to in this video. We're gonna order leather patch and just put it over. It's simple and cheap to fix. Now, of course, guys, we're gonna continue this until we buy our dream home. I hope you guys liked the video. And of course, until next time, peace.